Hey guys, it's Keith from the Regulator Factory. Glad that you're with us today. We're out here on the water on a brand new 2021 31-foot boat with new engines. That's right, twin 425s in this boat. We're going to go run it. We're going to show you what it's going to do here in just a moment or two. But in the meantime, we're enjoying the Albemarle Sound. Beautiful day here, midday on what's the day? Tuesday. I don't even know what day it is. Having so much fun out in the water, you forget what day it is. But I am joined by our Director of Engineering, David Clubs. David, how are you today?
Well, I'm on a boat, so I'm pretty good, Keith. It's a good day. Like you said, one of my favorite boats already. Now we just crowded the power to the transom. 850 horsepower in the back. Let's, Bobby, take a look at our helm. Just a real quick shot. All new Yamaha joystick, new CL5, Yamaha autopilot, all integrates. New binnacle. I'm running on single lever here. That's my 850 horsepower toggle switch right there. On, off, on. That's all I got. On, off. And we're wide open on those boats. So you guys want to see it? Bobby, you ready? Keith, hold on. All right. Take it out. Okay, hang on there, Keith. We'll see what we can stretch it out to. Y'all watch the speed climb.
Phenomenal. 64 miles an hour there. That is a incredible, smooth riding boat on there. I'm excited. I want to really go again, to tell you the truth.
Well, we should do it. Yeah. Let's just go ride around and catch some fish today.
Rest of the day.
We really have to
Don't
go
call
back.
the factory. David and I won't be there.
We're not going to be at the office rest of the day. All right, Keith.
Yeah, thank you guys for joining us. We appreciate it. Enjoy your afternoon. Visit your local dealer. Visit regulatormarine.com. Find out more information about the Regulator 31.
Thanks for riding along.